TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, Thursday morning, 30 minutes into the trade day. We got markets in positive territory. We're getting action in both directions this morning. That's after an 8:30 a.m. jobless claims number, 6.6 million. You add that up to the 3.3 million we had the week prior, you're at almost 10 million jobs in the last 2 weeks in terms of lost people filing for weekly jobless claims. Right now, you have the S&Ps trading at 2460, up about 11 points. We were coming into that jobless claims number at almost 2,500. You actually trade down to a low at 9 a.m. of 2424. So you're talking about almost 75 S&P points. But since then, we're up at 2460 in the S&Ps. Dow 30, 20,746. Zooming this in, just at 8 a.m. this morning, we were trading at 21,114. So you trade down. Check that out. Talk about round numbers. Our man Basil Chapman, 20,500 on the dot. So you trade down more than 600 Dow points. From there, we're up 250 Dow points at 20,750 on the dot. NASDAQ 100 trading at 74.68. Checking out the price action this morning from 75.75 down to a low of about 73.76. We're now up about 90 points from that bump, 74.64. Jumping over to the gold market, currently trading at 1630. From the low we made Tuesday evening at about 6 o'clock of 1576, you see the acceleration in gold even from 8 a.m., trading from about 1607, now at 1630. And the crude market catching a bid, but backing off a bit this morning. You had crude all the way up to 2260, now off about 75 cents from that high at 2186. In terms of what else you have happening in the market, there's the headline you'll be hearing about today, as I mentioned. 6.6 million jobs. You add the 2-week total, you add last week to the 2-week total, and you're at about 10 million numbers. Quite a number. And total confirmed cases, 216,000 in the U.S. now. Total deaths above 5,100. New York City, the hardest hit of them all, and that is your curve for the United States down there, now above 200,000, hopefully flattening at some point, but stark news still coming out. New York, one of those states, finally a shelter-at-home order from the governor just yesterday. Stay tuned, folks. I'll be coming back at 10 o'clock with Tom, Fast Market by TD Ameritrade Network, Kevin Hinks, Alex Coffey at 11, Basil Chapman, Steve Rhodes, Dave White, Tom O'Brien, all this afternoon. Stay tuned, folks. We'll be right back.